Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to discuss type of computer type. There are different types of computer technology available these days. The functionality and data processing of each type of computer is distinct, and so are the output result. The methods, the techniques, size, capacity, characteristic and data handling aspect of each computer may be different as well. Let us understand the different type of computer one by one. So first I'm going to show you an image so you can easily understand. You can see in here the type of computer based on size, based on mechanism, based on purpose. So based on size you can see super, mainframe, mini, micro, and based on mechanism analog, digital and hybrid, and based on purpose you can see general purpose and special purpose. So I'm going to discuss all of this in detail so you can easily understand this. So I'm going to close this image. Type of computers by size, the microcomputers. The microcomputer is also recognized as personal computer. These are comparatively economical. Microcomputers are small computers incorporating a microprocessor, central processing unit, CPU, memory storage area, and input unit and output unit. It is a general purpose computer that is outlined for personal use. Such computers are made with minimum circuits mounting over a single circuit board. They are fit for personal work, that may be making an assignment at the office for office work. Watching a movie, etc. example included desktop, laptop, tablets, smartphone, etc. The mainframe or mini computer. Mini computers are comparatively smaller than the mainframe computers, or can say mini computer lies within the mainframe and microcomputer, as it is smaller than the mainframe but larger than a microcomputer. Mini computers are digital and multi-user computer system with the connection of more than one CPU. Multiple users can work on these computers simultaneously. Mainframe computers are employed in institutes and work units for tasks such as billing, accounting and record management. Mainframe computer. Computers utilized by large organizations to manage bulk data are designated as mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are multi-programming, high-performance and multi-user computer, which implies they can manage the workload of more than 100 users at a time on the computer. The storage capability of the mainframe is enormous. With high-speed data process as well, the main purpose of such a type of computer include managing customer statistics, sensors, and other heavy data in a single device. Mainframe computers, therefore, are mainly employed by departmental and commercial organizations like banks, scientific research centers, companies, and governmental departments like railways, paying employees, ticket booking, maintaining details of purchase by user, keeping detailed tax detail, etc. Supercomputer come under the biggest, fastest, powerful and most expensive type of computer for processing data type. They are designed to process an immense amount of data. A supercomputer can treat trillions of instruction direction in a second. It has thousands of interconnected processors. Supercomputers are especially used in scientific and engineering applications such as weather forecasting, quantum mechanics, climate research, scientific simulations, nuclear energy research, etc., where a high level of performance is required. Example: IBM Rod-Bernal, Intel ASIC Red, Param 1000, BM Blue Genie, and Cray XMP 14. Type of computers, working principle and data handling abilities. Analog computer. Analog computers are outlined to process analog data. Analog data is continuous data that varies continuously and cannot have discrete values. Analog computers utilized primarily to measure physical units like the voltage, electric current, pressure, temperature, and convert them into digits. Such computers are mostly used for scientific technology research, engineering, and industrial applications. Speedometers, mercury thermometer, operational amplifiers, electric integrators, etc. are examples of analog computers. Digital computer. The digital computer is outlined to execute calculation and logical operation at a high speed. Such a computer are proficient in solving problems in discrete forms. It acquires the raw data as input is in the form of digits, binary numbers 0 and 1, and process it with program stored in its memory to process the output. It can implement arithmetic operations such as addition, occurrence, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and all sort of logical mathematical operation as well. All modern computer like laptop, desktop, including smartphone, calculator, tablets, digital watches, accounting machine, workstation, digital clock, etc. that we use at home or office are digital computers. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computer, as the name of signify, exhibit features of both analog and digital computers. It is fast like an analog computer and has memory and accuracy like those of digital computers. It can process both continuous and discrete data. It takes analog signals and transforms them into digital from before processing them. This type of computer are extensively used in specialized applications where both analog and digital data are processed. For example, a processor is applied in petrol pump that converts fuel flow measurement into quantities and price. Furthermore, they are used in aeroplanes, hospital, and scientific applications. Type of computer by their purpose. There are two types of computer. You can divide it by purpose: general purpose and special purpose. First, I am going to discuss general purpose. General purpose. General computers are designed to perform various everyday tasks such as document preparation, financial analysis, printing document, basic input-output functions, creating databases, data saving on a smaller scale, calculating with accuracy and consistency, general performing activities, and more. Now I am going to talk about a special purpose computer. When a computer is outlined specifically to perform a certain function, such type of computer is identified as a special purpose computer. The size, shortage, capacity, and cost of such computers principally depend on the nature and the size of the work. The function of this computer is constant with any particular task. That is, these computers are designed to perform a particular or specialized task. These types may include thermometer to test temperature, device used for examining climate change, generators to manage electricity, large computer for IT companies, example of special purpose computers, automatic teller machine, ATM. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from this video. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel